Before starting our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my team. Myself, Riyadh.
And my name is Amit Devna.
And my name is Nikiraj Pegi.
So today we came here to present a presentation on law of motion. So before clearing all the concept about law of inertia, I would like to clarify you all about what is first law of motion and what does it states. The first law of motion states that if the object is in rest, it wants to be in rest. And if object is in motion, it wants to be in motion unless and until if any external unbalanced force applied on it. Means if an object is in rest, it will be in rest until and unless if we will not put or apply any unbalanced force on it. So I will show you one demonstration to make it clear. So as the coin is in rest, it will change its position from rest to motion. How it will be? It will change its position. So after this demonstration, you all have cleared concept about what is first law of motion states. So second topic is key concept about inertia. What does inertia says? Inertia is a natural tendency which resists any change in the state of motion. For that, I will show you one demonstration which will be more clarified for you all. Next one. As you all can see, the ball is in rest. It will be in rest until and unless if I will not put any unbalanced external force on it. So now the ball is in rest, so it changes position from rest to motion. It's due to inertia.
Now I am going to explain you about some basic examples of inertia. So first example is, you can see here, a box which is kept in the top of the car and it is in rest. When the car starts to move, it exerts force on the box, due to which the box moves forward. This happened due to inertia. Second example. In the second example, you can see a ball is kept on a table and it will not move until and unless we exert any unbalanced force on it. So if I apply unbalanced force on it, it will fall down. This happened also due to inertia. The third example is a book. The third example, a book which is kept on a table and it will stay on the table until and unless we apply any unbalanced force on it. And if we apply unbalanced force on it, it will move from one place to another. This also happened due to the inertia. Now I am going to explain you about some factors that influence inertia. The first factor is inertia depends on the shape and size of an object. It means that if the shape and size of an object is moved, the weight of that object will be moved, due to which we need to apply more unbalanced force on it, and the inertia will be less. In second example, second factor is the inertia depends on the position of an object. And third factor is the inertia depends on the density and mass. Means that if the mass of the object will be moved, we need to apply more force on it, and the inertia will be less.
So I would like to explain about the historical context of the laws of motion. The laws of motion was formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the late 17th century. He have given us 3 laws of motion. The first one is the law of inertia, and the second is the law of momentum, and the third is every reaction has its equal reaction. So these laws are applicable in our day-to-day lives. I will show you some examples. Like vehicle safety features like seat belts, which are necessary in our vehicles to have. It helps when a car collides or applies brake. When a car collides or applies brake, the person moves forward. The person moves forward, and because of inertia, it wants to be in forward direction. And the seat belts exerts a backward force on the person, so the person should not go forward, and it helps us from being it helps to being us from getting hurt from any objects of the car. And the second one is when we vigorously shake the leaves fallen down because of the inertia.
But I can see money here.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's fallen down because of the inertia.
So the conclusion part, I will like to tell you all about what we have learned from all the concepts tell by Amit, Vicky and me. So the last conclusion part, I will like to say you all about what it emphasizes. It emphasizes for like if the object is in rest, it want to be in rest. Until and unless if we will not use any unbalanced external force on it. Like I have before also I have shown you an example that if the ball is in rest, it want to be in rest, and if the ball is in motion, it want to be in motion. Until and unless I will not put any external force on it. So last, end the session.